TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 292 points. You get the Nasdaq up 92. S&Ps are up 29. Gold contracts flat at 11.20. You get silver up 12 cents at $14.68. Platinum's up $14.95 at $1,003. You got copper up 10.5 pennies at $2.41 a pound. Light sweet crude down 90 cents at $45.14 a barrel. Bonds, the 10-year down 11 ticks, 127.12. 30-year down 1 full point and 12 ticks at 154.14. Bonds are still saying they want higher price, folks. They're pulling back this morning on lighter volume. King dollar still can't make higher price. King dollar down 150 ticks at 96.09. The euro is up 6 at 111, and the yen is up 71 or 3/4 of a penny at 119.99. Now, we go over to the S&P. Volatility is going to continue out here. If we take a look at the SPY, this is what you're looking at. The SPY right now is trading out at 37.56. We are at a price point right now. Well, sorry about that. The SPY is trading out at a price point of 195.85. We are at. We're still under actually last Thursday's, which is a trip in itself. Bottom line, I expect what you're going to see out here today. You get a nice bump up again, but guess what? You have 3 lower highs in this marketplace, including today with this nice bump up. This market right now, even if we go over, take a look at the S&Ps themselves, what you're going to see is that it can't handle price. If you take a look at the S&P, right now we're up 28 ticks. Bottom line, we were up at 1961. It's already given up 5. I suspect what you're going to see at the end of today will be under the 1949.25 level, which was the high that was generated last Friday. Bottom line is that this market is building cause to get into lower price. We go over to the NQs. We take a look at the same phenomenon that's setting up there. The NQs right now are up $77. They hit a high out here this morning of $42.91, up $97. Bottom line, still have lower highs. This baby wants to pull back. We'll see what type of volume we have coming in this market, because what we did do is try to get to an additional high. Thus far, just as we had on last Friday, you get dramatically lighter volume in this market. So this market already tried to get to a higher high. I suspect the volume is not going to be able to keep the juice in this market. Now, go over the bond market. The bond market is what's screaming, folks, and has given the most consistent information to us on a continual basis. So this is what the bond market's done thus far this morning. We're at 127.30 on the 10-year. The 10-year thus far has done TYZ. The 10-year thus far has done 455,000 contracts. You're pulling back with lighter volume. This baby is building cause. On Friday, you went topside, got into 128.04, wants higher price. The 10-year wants its highs of 129.30. 30-year is given the exact same type of setup. They have been the most consistent on a continual basis for quite some time. The 30-year is down 1 point and 11 ticks. Also, 90,000 contracts. That's dramatically lighter volume. We went topside on Friday with 256,000 contracts. What is that setting up? Bottom line, that's setting up a run to the highs in the 10-year, in the 30-year. And the kicker, of course, is the good old U.S. dollar. The dollar, folks, is going lower, and what that's all about is that the Chinese continue to sell dollars. That's what that's all about. Bottom line, dollars at 96.40. The dollar cannot handle the 97 mark. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can call 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Looking forward to speaking right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you like it does me, visit everbank.com/TFNN to find out what they can do for you. Again, that's everbank.com/TFNN. Visit them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.